Better Excel Exporter can export your Jira worklog to native Excel files and do even more. Generate full-blown worklog reports out of the box. Let's see how you can get started. I'll export a cross-project worklog report, so I select the projects I want to involve. Once you get the issues collected, open the Better Excel Exporter export menu. Just click the larger Excel icon up here. Select the worklog report export option and open the Excel report when it's done. The worklog report has different sections featuring their own pivot tables and charts. The first section is about work hours performed on different components per project. With the pivot table comes a pivot chart to visualize the data. Here are the same findings on a bar chart. Next are metrics on users or worklog authors and work hours performed by each user. You get the idea that you can put any number of different metrics up here. Like if you're curious on work performed on different affected versions, turn that on instead of authors, and you get the right numbers. That gives you a different reading of the same set of worklogs, obviously. The pivot chart is also generated automatically for this. 3 extra pivot tables are added to the end of the report for affected and fixed versions, and also for components, but here a third dimension, worklog date, is brought in. So it's work hours logged on different components by year and month. The last tab contains the raw data exported for each issue you selected in the issue navigator. That's where all the pivot tables and charts are feeding their data from. But the point is that this report has been generated from a template, and you can get this right after installing Better Excel Exporter Cloud. Get started today with a free trial and create your own Jira Worklog Excel report. Watch the next tutorial and find the link in the description below to try Better Excel Exporter Cloud now for free. Don't miss upcoming Midori videos and app tutorials. Click the logo in the middle and subscribe.